What's up, everybody? Dawood from Dr.Mission here, and today we're introducing our influencer partnership program. So if you like to earn 10% on every sale that you refer, let us know, send us a DM, or call us. The number's in the bio. By signing up, you'll also receive a insider code that allows you to get 10% of every order that you purchase if you want to purchase bottles as well. So not only will you earn 10% from everybody that you refer, you'll also earn 10% off of every order that you make. As an influencer, it's free to sign up. Once you sign up, you'll get a code. You'll send us your PayPal so that we can send you money, and from there, you're gonna be able to start earning income. Free and easy. No, you don't have to worry about shipping or anything. Just talk about the product and let people know about it. You're sharing a good product. When we tell somebody about it, the context that I have in mind is that I'm saving somebody's life. So you can do two things. You can save someone's life and earn an extra income. So if you're interested, let us know. There's no influencer too small. Even if you tell one person, right, you'll be getting a lot off. You'll get 10% off, and you'll be getting 10% off of being an influencer, and you'll get 10% from your earned income, and the person that you referred will get 5% off. So that's actually three things. So if you like to keep on doing what you guys are doing, because the biggest way that we grow is our clients and customers like you letting people know. So what we're doing to make sure that we're reciprocating, what you guys are doing for us, we've created this influencer program. So if you're interested, let us know in the DMs, call us, text us 347-206-5204,